folks, Tall Bike Tommy. I'm up here at the Medicine Hat College. I don't know if you remember Cody. Just before the holidays, a young man was looking for some help to get his butt up to Calgary and get himself a flight back to see his family. So we helped him out with that, and he just contacted me recently and said that he's going to be at the college tonight serving some food and drinks at a charity event for Medicine Hat College SUES. So I'm gonna head in there and go down to Crave, test out some of their food and drink and whatnot, and say hi to Cody. We'll see you in there.
Glenn Uhas, Royal LePage Community Realty. We're better together. Medicine Hat Refrigeration. Fixed right, or it's free. Stone Furs in downtown Medicine Hat. So much more than a fur store.
Science and engineering.
Yep.
Okay, so you're in science or engineering?
Yeah, science, pre-pharmacy.
My name's Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
Nishi?
Nishi?
Yeah, I'm an international student here.
So what are we doing here today to raise money? What's the whole thing?
It's like beer tasting, and those who just don't want to taste the beer, just have the food and pop.
Do you like
Enjoy.
beer?
No, I don't drink.
I'm not really a
actually.
big drinker either, but yeah, we're getting close. There it is, yeah. I've been down here once before a few years ago, but
Oh.
I'm from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I do a YouTube channel here in Medicine Hat. Just trying, I don't know, I guess Cody, he's a student here.
Oh, yeah.
You know Cody? Yeah. He needed a ride up to...
everywhere, around, always.
Yeah. He's a good communicator for sure.
Yeah.
So he was on the internet looking for a ride to Calgary, and my YouTube channel helped him get up there to Calgary. So he said he's serving here tonight, and I thought I'd come say hi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thomas?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
How do you know my name?
Oh, I just knew. We just know everybody. And then, so are you drinking? Yes. Okay.
I'll have it all.
So cheers. And this is for you.
Okay. Right on.
Do we need to explain? One, two,
Yeah,
three.
explain anything you want. I'm making a YouTube video for my YouTube channel.
Oh
So.
my goodness. Wait, is that on?
Cody invited me, so you could blame him later if you don't like it.
Oh,
Okay?
that's nice.
So the tickets are for what?
The tickets are for each tasting. So each ticket will get you a tasting for each beer once we start the
8 beers. Okay.
8 beers.
Cool. I think
From
I
around the world.
might be able to handle a sip of each one.
That's about what you'll do.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
You will be able to drive if you just have
Okay.
a beer.
Good. So, where did you go, and who did you see, and what did you do for Christmas break?
I went to Kelowna and I saw my family friends, which are basically my family. It is a man and a woman who I've been friends with since I was the age of their current oldest kid, which is like 9. And I knew them, and then they got married, and they've just been in my life, and then they had their first child, and then they had their second child, and I was a babysitter for both of those children, and they moved out to Red Cliff, and then they moved to Kelowna about 4 or 5 years ago. And so I go every Christmas because they're what I have. And
So were the kids there too,
yes.
like the grown-up
Yeah.
kids who used
well,
to babysit?
I mean,
or?
not grown up, still only like 9, and like the younger one is
Yeah,
5.
they're still kids.
Maybe. And I go a lot for them just because they really miss me throughout the year. And so it's really exciting for them to see me and the rest of the family. And it's just really nice feeling welcome and like having those people that care about you. So yeah, I go up there and then I just hang out. And
What kind of hangouts do you do? Like with my family, the younger kids, we have a Nintendo there and a Super Nintendo, so I just pull that out and try and show them old video games.
the boy, the 9-year-old, he really loves video games and he has a Wii U, so we played a little bit of that. But as for like kind of the main activity is lots of board games, lots of card games and like dice games, and then the shuffleboard games, which is really enjoyable.
Did you grow up with Nintendo Wii? Is that one of your things, or?
I grew up with PlayStation 1.
Right, so that's the same thing with me. We got older systems and the kids have these new ones. Did you feel challenged at all?
No.
They get better than you at any Wii games,
I
or what?
keep up to date, and like my brother when I was a child, he never lost and I will never lose.
Right.
So I have my own Wii U now, and I'm ready, and I will always win when it's younger than me.
It was your first flight alone, you said, eh? What was that like?
It was good, except for there was a crazy woman on my plane on the way there from Calgary. And like it was fine, it was exciting, it was really comfortable and cool, and I was like, oh man, it's a plane.
Was she sitting next to you? Or?
No, she was in the row in front of me. And like everything was normal, and then she like started going on like, I don't even get how planes fly. Like, how are we even gonna fly? It's just like a box floating in the air. What's stopping us from just flying into the ground? And then she started talking about like Final Destination and like things like that. And I'm like, lady, like you need to calm down. Like,
I think there's a lot of first-time flyers when it's like around the holidays, eh? Like maybe people that just haven't done it. Or... So were you freaking? Did that make you freak out at all? Or?
No. I just put in my headphones and read.
Yeah.
Read a book.
C does not
So
equal
I didn't mind it, but it was like, why are you talking about it?
And then how was the? Community TV. Thanks a lot to all the fans who helped out. What was it? What was the thing called? The shuttle bus.
The shuttle.
Do you remember the name of the shuttle bus? Prairie Sprinter. Yeah, Prairie Sprinter. Thanks a lot, Prairie Sprinter. How was the drive?
It was great, actually. On the way there wasn't very many people, so I just kind of sat there and I read my book. And on the way back, I knew almost everybody on the bus. There was people from like grades below me, there was people that I graduated with, people that were in grade above me. My English teacher from this past semester was on the bus. We sat together and we talked all the time. So it was really, really good. Both
It's
ways.
something with Anne.
All right. See, I bugged you for 5 minutes already. That's probably more than enough, isn't it?
It's whatever you would like. I could talk and talk. I'm more comfortable now, except for like, I don't know where to look in there. So I just...
That's where the people are. They're inside there.
People. But yeah, no, it was really, really good, and I really, really appreciated it.
Cool. Let's give me a big high five, bro. Sweet. And thanks for inviting me out for this beer tasting thing. We're here for the science and engineering undergrads. So what classes are you taking? What's the course load like this semester?
Heavy. I've got...
Oh yeah, that's me. The nachos are here. You want some nachos? I don't know how long these will last around a bunch of hungry college students. Yeah, you can.
Everyone's pretty respectable. I don't know if they'll just jump in and eat.
Yeah, you can. If you can reach them, then have some. I think somebody else further down there should just order another plate, right?
Charlotte, this is Tom. Meet Tom.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm good. I do a local YouTube channel, and basically I go around. I eat nachos at various places.
Medicine Hat's Rodeo Ford. Visit rodeoford.ca. Outlaw Collision and Custom Coatings, the good guys of the West. Hemp food, hemp body care, hemp clothing, Hemp Town Rock. Panorama Lanes Family Fun Center. Anyone can bowl from age 3 to 93.
It's really good, actually. I picked this one, guys. So, yeah.
You're one of the connoisseurs?
I would know. I was just like, we should go get beer. So, I'll go.
Cheers. Pretend like you didn't yet.
Okay.
Cheers. All right, let's try this beer for the first time.
Very involved in the veggies right now. For Belgium. Devin. Wait.
I like it, actually.
It's cold. It's a little bit bubbly.
You say veggies?
It tastes like beer to me, mostly.
Yeah, I would say so. I'm just going to grab a couple carrots.
Yeah, it's a pretty good beer, I guess. I mean, I'm no connoisseur. I could drink it.
What's it come to?
Rated out of 10.
Again.
That was her. I know you heard that. I know you heard that.
Wow, what do you have to say to yourself?
I was like Barney from The Simpsons style belch from.
That was so good.
Excuse me. I apologize, everyone. That was.
We're getting some weird calls from around the table. This beard is weird. This beard is minty. It's called what?
Hogarden.
Hogarden? I thought it was folk art. I guess that kind of rhymes. Maybe I misheard it. Hogarden?
Yeah. I remember it.
think that's a play on words. Beer and sexuality mixed together? No, never.
Actually, I think it's from different countries. Maybe. Are you doing the beer tasting?
Oh yeah, it's like very.
I like it actually.
What does that remind me of? That reminds me of something summery. Like a clove of some kind?
Do we have like a draw or something? Oh god, are you taking my face?
I'm gonna get really close now. Give it a sip. See the facial expression of a nice sip of that clovey beer.
I don't think it's clovey.
No? It's not clovey, obviously. It's not. This guy had it. I think it's kind of minty, but it's like.
When I first tasted it, I had a thought, but now that I keep drinking it, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, like right off the hop, it reminded me of something, and then I was like, no, it's not that though.
Okay. Okay, already done, and then.
Like coconutty almost.
We need a mini fridge in the back.
It's good. I like it. I would drink this.
It's more on the exhale that I actually taste that unique taste that I'm tasting.
It's like afterwards.
And it tastes like, it definitely tastes like something. Like maybe something that I have, like something with an Italian dish. Like, you know. She's over there with the Strongbow. What does the cider have hints of?
I don't even know.
You're supposed to taste it and then tell us.
Sulfites.
Hints of sulfites.
This is a science faculty and engineering society party. It has sulfites in it. That is SO2, right?
Yeah.
And what would you guess its pH balance is?
It's actually SO2.
I would have to assume probably about maybe a 5.5. So therefore, if you take 14 minus 4.5 here, then that can get your POH.
Now we can shut up.
Too far.
1890. Today it is situated in the Philippines. It is a strong pale lager founded in 2000, and they really need to update their website because that's all it says.
We don't know what it's gonna be like.
Yeah, so surprise!
It looks frightening.
What was it called again? Red Horse. Sorry, that's the next one.
My name is Devin Heath. I am a UT science person who has maybe had a few drinks tonight at the beer tasting social event tonight that Tom has graced his appearance with us tonight.
I graced my appearance with you.
Sorry for my lack of grammar. Let's explore. We're going. I don't want to disrupt a conversation, so let's just go walk around. Hello, guys. If you could rate tonight on a scale of 10, what would you tell this camera?
I would say 9.2.
Jack, what did you think of the beer tonight?
Amazing.
It was amazing. Yeah, what are you guys studying? You guys are all engineers.
I'm not.
What are you? Prefab med, wonderful. We have very much diversity in the science faculty. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great night. All right. What about all these people? Can you say hi to the camera, guys? Yeah! Some science love, everyone. Yeah. Shelby, nice of you to join us tonight. Hey, girl. She's dressing for us. Wonderful. Chase, you came late. Tell us about your lateness. So give us our excuse.
I was late.
Why? I don't know. Yeah, you didn't know. Whatever, hey? Yeah, guys, how you doing tonight? You know, we got a camera here. Say hi. How's it going? Yeah?
Well, hello.
Why, hello. So this guy plays League of Legends. He thinks he's good.
I'm a nerd.
That's enough. That's enough. We got the bartender here. We've seen a lot of him. We got Mara here. Wonderful lady. I still only have one bar left. 1 minute and 42 seconds. And we have the lovely bartender. Say hello.
Hello, this is DK.
What's your name? DK?
I'm Kiddo, but I just go by DK. So.
Oh, okay. We'll skip the informals and just say sup, bro. Yeah, everyone's having a good night, Fancy. Shelby, you look gorgeous tonight. Hey, how does that look? That looks great. Is this a film? It is a film. Okay. What do you do? You do a stampede thing, didn't you? I did. Yeah? Tell us about your little, this is a stampede thing. Oh my goodness, hello. I dropped the puck at the Tigers game tonight. Wow, look at that. We got a celebrity on our hands. Wonderful. Well, it's great to see you, Shelby. Okay, back to business. No,
This is not school time,
This is Grace?
I was engaged to a Maori in New Zealand.
At U of A, so you have expectations now? Fuck up?
Like what?
You love little Jay's here? This is Logan. This is Amber. That's Mealy. That's Colm. That's
Who are you
Sean.
telling my name to?
And we were partners.
This is Logan. He knows my stepdad. How's it going?
Whatever. And so
Yeah?
I went
Tell us
down
what
to
you're doing right now. We're drinking.
And no, I like the only reason we were engaged is because you don't like.
Okay, now back to business.
But one time,
Yep, that was
you can't record this while I'm telling the story, or else
Well then-
it's a badge.
Did you get some interesting stuff?
Oh, fuck yeah, I did. Good night. This has been DH Heath, aka Gyarados.
Gyarados.